But the foam shield is the real game changer here. This thing dispenses a thick, magical layer of foam into the bowl before you proceed to punish the porcelain. It serves a few purposes. It traps the odor of your troops beneath a prison of bubbles. It completely eliminates the dreaded Poseidon's kiss, that icy splash of water that ruins your day. It silences the splash, suffocates the stink, and prevents spray from when you flush. You just pour the foam in by removing the glass panel and pulling out the stopper.
Drink up, my precious.
And the toilet lets you know how full it is. It's stored in the tank you see here, and each 480 milliliter bottle lasts 250 uses, which equates to around 2 to 4 months of daily use, depending on how often you use it. It's off by default, and you can either have it activate automatically, or do it manually by pressing the posterior wash button on the included remote, which is what I do. The foam is sold separately and costs $49 for a pack of 2 bottles, which is reasonable considering it will last you basically half a year if you use it every day.